Valentine's Day is one of the biggest emotional spending holidays across the globe, but I'm sure you're not surprised by that. But let me give you some statistics. In 2025, and these numbers are still being finalized, but US consumers were expected to spend a whopping, or I should say a record, $27.5 billion on Valentine's Day. Per person, for people celebrating, that's about $188 on average. In the UK, total Valentine's spend was projected to be £1.5 billion, with about $52 being spent per person celebrating. Now, these figures, they show that demand for meaningful personalized gifts and even generic gifts, like some of the ones I'm about to show you how to create in this video, remains very high in demand in 2025 and of course beyond. And here's what's important. The same emotional spending that I'm talking about, it repeats for Mother's Day, for Father's Day, for birthdays, for anniversaries, and even for Christmas. So if you happen to be watching this video a little bit late, let's say Valentine's has already passed, you can still use this strategy. But our focus today is to target up to $16,000 by Valentine's Day. And there's no guarantee that you're gonna earn this money. But what I'm gonna show you will require no design experience, no inventory upfront, and no upfront production cost or worrying about shipping logistics. And you can get this entire system set up in a mere 2 hours. Now, these occasions, they actually work to get more sales because they are emotion driven. Buyers are actively searching for personalized gifts so that they can offer something unique to whether they're Valentine's, their mother, father, or for birthday gifts. And parents, partners, and families, they're actually willing to pay for meaningful keepsakes, and they're willing to dish out a few more dollars. Now, let's talk about how we're gonna create this, and we're gonna start with step 1, which is to create the design. And the tool of choice is gonna be Kittle because it creates amazing designs, but also because it combines an AI-powered design assistant. It has an expansive professional template library, and you can use the designs for commercial purposes with a Kittle plan. To get started at any point in time, there's a link that I've placed at the top of the description below where it says more, and you can click on that link and enter promo code ODETTAYT for a 25% discount on all Kittle Pro plans. Now, we will be creating 3 in-demand Valentine's products, and I'm going to show you how to get this done as a beginner and with no technical experience. Now, the first product is kind of obvious, and it is Valentine's greeting cards. And what you're going to do is you're going to head over to Kittle after clicking the link in the description, and on the home page, as I'm showing you here on screen, you're going to select new or new project, and then you're going to select poster and create. In the search bar at the top, we're going to go ahead and type Valentine. And as you can see here, we get several pre-done templates that we can choose from. By selecting the template, you're able to use them as long as you have a Kittle paid plan for commercial purposes, as I mentioned earlier. Or you can go ahead and edit them, as I'm showing you how to do here on screen, right here in Kittle. Now, with the cover of our card done by simply selecting a pre-done template and editing it if you so desire, we will need the message interior page, like what's typically in a card, like I'm showing you here on screen. We're gonna go ahead and add a blank artboard, as I'm showing you here, and let's enter this prompt in Kittle Chat, as I'm doing on screen. Create an image design for the inside of a Valentine's card for print on demand that includes a to and from line and an appropriate message that aligns to this text on the cover of the card. And right here, what you're gonna do is whatever is on the cover of the Valentine's card template that you chose from Kittle, you're gonna enter that text here, as I'm showing you on screen for the card that I selected. Now, I've also placed this prompt in the description below so that you can easily copy and paste it into Kittle Chat. Now, as you can see here, we get a design for the interior of our Valentine's card. And listen, if you don't like the one that is generated first, you can either modify the prompt or you can generate more and choose from the options that you get. Let's go ahead and download our card. Make sure you do it in high resolution. And what you're gonna do is repeat this exact process 11 more times, but you're gonna use different templates from the Kittle catalog here of templates, which you're gonna get a lot of options to choose from. Make sure you choose something that's funny, engaging, or bold so that it will capture people's attention and they'll want to send that card to their Valentines or to their mother if you're doing this for Mother's Day, which in that case you'd change Valentine's from the search menu and put in Mother's Day or Father's Day or anniversary, whatever season you decide to do this for. Now, what we're gonna do next is head over to Printify, and I have also placed a link in the description for you to get access to Printify, and you can actually use Printify free for everything I'm about to show you in this video. When you land on Printify, go to the catalog and you're gonna search for postcards, and then you're gonna upload your Kittle designs as I'm showing you here to the postcard template. You can also look at what the preview of this card is gonna look like on Printify to see if you like it, and then you can make further edits as is needed. What you're gonna do next is price your card. Make sure the title and the description of the card matches your expectation, and go ahead and save it, because I'm gonna show you later in this video how to publish this particular product for sale as well as the other products that we'll be creating. And the best part is you will not need to figure out where to get postcards to be able to sell it, because everything that I'm showing you here will allow you to do it with no inventory upfront or worrying about things like shipping products to customers or any logistics. Now let's move to the second product on our list, and it is candles. And you know candles are great for Valentine's, right? Now again, from the Kittle homepage, let's go ahead and select another template for our candle design. And we will then prompt Kittle chat, as I'm doing here, to give me thought-provoking, funny Valentine's saying or quotations that are ideal for candles that will make great Valentine's gift. And again, I'm gonna put this prompt in the description so you can copy and paste it. We get several options to choose from as I'm showing you here. What you want to do next is to choose one and prompt Kittle chat to give me an image generation text prompt for just the design, not a mock-up, with the quote, and then you're gonna copy the quote that you like, enter it here in the prompt, and then you're gonna continue with the prompt by saying, for a print-on-demand Valentine's candle design. And again, I'm gonna place this prompt in the description of this video so you can copy and paste it and enter the quotation that you choose. What we'll do next is we'll enter this prompt that we got in the command box here on Kittle to create a design. And we're gonna use Nano Banana Pro 4K as the image generator. Let's also select the size that we want for the image and how many options we want, because we can have it generate one option or two or three to choose from, and that way you get variety. You should then select generate, and as you can see here, we get this beautiful or these beautiful designs depending on how many options you choose for it to create. And this is of course for our candle. If you don't like the designs, again, just go ahead and regenerate, or you can tweak the prompt. What you're gonna do is you're gonna repeat this process 11 more times. You would have likely gotten enough quotations or sayings, so all you need to do is to create the prompt to generate the image, paste it here, and keep generating until you have 11 different quotation designs. Now with your designs in hand, let's head back over to Printify, and we're gonna search the Printify catalog for candles. And again, you'll need to upload your Kittle designs that we just created, and you can choose different types of candles to put different designs, or you can use the same candle and put different designs. It's really up to you. I like to say, or it's a popular saying, that variety is the spice of life. So I would choose different candles and mix up the different designs. I think these are pretty good considering it took us a few minutes to create. And for the record, there are sellers out there who are making millions of dollars from selling candles, like this one here that I'm popping up on screen. And I'll share a link to his story below of how he's making life-changing money selling candles like the ones that we're creating. Now again, you want to determine the price for your candles. label, the title, the description, and go ahead and save it. And later, again, I'll show you how to publish them for sale. But let's move to product number 3. And this is gonna be personalized stuffed animals. And this is a core product that sells very well for Valentine's. Let us start a new project again here on Kittle and select a standard design. Now in the image design box here, let us again choose Nano Banana Pro 4K to create a design with this prompt. Create a beautiful flat design with the message Happy Valentine's and leave a large space to place a name. And again, feel free to tweak this prompt until you get the results that you're looking for. You can create variations of this design after it's created, like this one that I'm showing you here, by going and adding smart boards in Kittle from the menu here and entering prompts in the smart board command box like make the design soft and feminine, and voila, this is what it looks like. Or make the design bold and playful, and just like that, you have a different style. Again, remember you can tweak the prompt and you can keep regenerating until you like the design you get. Now with Kittle, you have complete creative control, as I'm demonstrating here. By leveraging this creative control, you're gonna get multiple sellable variations and designs almost instantly. For this particular design, let's go ahead and remove the background, increase the resolution, and download our design. And again, we're gonna head over to Printify, and on the catalog, we're gonna search for stuffed animals. And as you can see here, we get different types of stuffed animal toys, that is, to choose from. We get bears, we get bunnies, we get elephants. Go ahead and click Start Designing, click Upload, and then you're gonna upload your Kittle design from your device. And then you may need to resize it to fit the space on the stuffed animal's shirt, as I'm showing you here on screen. What you'll do next is to repeat this process to create at least one design for each stuffed animal until you have 12 stuffed animal designs available for sale. Remember to click preview to see what your designs look like and tweak it accordingly. Now Printify will give you the option to enable personalization when a customer places an order by giving the customer the option to enter their name as an example that would be placed on the stuffed animal. But you are likely gonna need the paid version of Printify to be able to do that. And I've also placed in the description below a code that will give you some discounts to get access to the paid version of Printify to do this, if you choose to go this route. Now you can also leverage Printify's own e-commerce platform where you can sell these products, and that way you don't need a website to be able to sell the products that you are creating. But I'll talk more about that later in this video. Now to ensure that when somebody goes on whichever website you decide to sell your stuffed animals, as an example, that they have the ability to personalize by sending in a name or a message, all you have to do is right here on Printify, you're gonna select Enable Personalization, and it will give the customer, when they're buying, the option to send whatever it is that they want to be placed on these stuffed animals. Go ahead and save your design for publishing, and we're now at the point where we're gonna publish all 3 of these product types. Now, I sell my print-on-demand products on my personal website, odetarocketcar.com, as I'm showing you here, and I use Wix to create this website. And in this video that I'm popping up here on screen, I show you step by step exactly how to create a Wix website like mine to sell your print-on-demand products. And the great news is that Printify automatically connects to Wix. So when my customers place their order on Wix, it sends it over to Printify. Printify sources that product, prints the design from Kittle on that product, ships the product to the customer, and manages all the logistics on my behalf. And this could be while I'm sleeping and making money while I sleep. You can also sell products on Etsy, on Shopify, on Amazon, and on other marketplaces like eBay, which all connect seamlessly, like I described in the Wix example, to Printify. With this model, you don't need to worry about inventory or logistics because that's not your cost nor your problem. Now let's do some mathematics. Now, because you created 12 different product types for each of the 3 products, you now have 36 different products that you will be able to sell on your website. Let's assume that between the stuffed animal, which you could sell for $50 to $60 based on what the competition is doing, and remember they're personalized, or the postcards, which are a lot cheaper, or the candles, which fall somewhere in the middle, your average price per product across all three is about $30. You're gonna need to get 535 sales to be able to make $16,000 by Valentine's Day. If you're targeting Mother's Day or Father's Day, of course you're gonna have more time, and you'll be able to earn significantly more with more time if you're leveraging the right strategy and developing a marketing plan to drive those sales. Now again, nothing that I'm sharing here offers any guarantees, and it's not easy work, but you can lock this down in about 2 hours and get things set up. The marketing, the sales, and the follow through will take additional time. And keep in mind that there are many persons out there leveraging a print on demand strategy that's similar to this one, and they're using it to make very good money. So this isn't a foreign concept, but it doesn't make it easy money either. And remember, this video is for educational purposes only. Now, this is not complicated. It's repeatable. You don't need experience, as I just demonstrated. You don't need inventory. You just need to follow the steps. Start with Kittle. Use promo code ODETTAYT for your 25% discount. Use Printify free. And if you're serious about this and want to offer customization, again, I've placed details where you can get some discounts. Design once and sell the same products many times. I hope you got value from this video. And if you did, I would appreciate you watching one of these that's popping up somewhere here on screen. And until next time, walk good.